Hi guys! Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a Christmas centerpiece using two Dollar Tree Christmas trees. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. Just click the button below the video that says subscribe, and if you want notifications for when I upload a tutorial, just click the bell and YouTube will notify you. For this centerpiece, you're going to need two of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees. You're also going to need a block of foam, and I picked up my foam at Walmart. You're also going to need some Christmas floral picks, and I picked most of mine up at Walmart. Most all of them are Mainstays brand. First, you're going to want to remove the little tree stand pieces and the little end piece that's on your Christmas tree, and you're going to fluff your two Christmas trees. Put one on the left, one on the right, and you're going to want to zip tie your little Dollar Tree Christmas trees together. I used two zip ties to zip tie my trees together. Just get that zip tie nice and tight and try to get the ends laying flat as possible so that your foam will lay flat too. This is a very simple and inexpensive centerpiece, and you could make this for any season or holiday. And I just cut about 3 inches off the end of my foam, and now I'm going to zip tie my foam onto my little Christmas tree swag. I usually just leave my foam wrapped in the plastic wrap. You can unwrap it if you want. It works the same way, either way, but it's a little less messy when you leave it wrapped. So now we're going to be taking some Mainstays berry picks, and I think these were 97 cents or either $1.28. I'm not real sure. And I'm just taking the berry picks, cutting them into shorter pieces. I am going to start with these berry picks, and I'm going to fill in on the sides with these berry picks. Since I don't have any of the Dollar Tree Christmas trees on the sides, I thought these would look real pretty on the sides. So I'm cutting another berry pick into shorter pieces. And here I'm just taking the berry pick and pushing it into the foam. Now if you want to, you can add a little dot of hot glue onto the end of each pick before you push it into the foam. I don't usually add hot glue because I like to reuse my picks and they stay in fine, but it's up to you. When I'm making a centerpiece or floral arrangement, what I do on the left side, I usually do on the right side. What I do on the front, I do on the back. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, but that's what I like to do when possible. Just remember when you're choosing your picks to choose a variety of sizes, shapes, and different textures. I like to hold mine in my hand and kind of see what works well together and what doesn't. So just kind of hold them in your hand, and if something doesn't look right, put it back and try something different. Now remember, try to get a bunch of different textures. You don't want all the same shaped flowers. You want a variety of shapes and sizes, and you want some to have some height too for the center. So don't cut them all the same length when you're cutting yours. Leave some longer for the center of the centerpiece. You will also need a few Dollar Tree shatterproof Christmas ornaments for this centerpiece. I just used some Gorilla Glue hot glue and hot glued them in. I just used 2 of the large white ornaments. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue, and I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue. So I just added quite a bit of hot glue to the top of the ornament, and I placed one on the right side and one on the left side in the Dollar Tree Christmas tree. I just kind of pushed the picks up and pushed it into the tree and held it for a little while. If you are placing this arrangement where that it's going to be seen from all sides, then I would do the same on the front as the back. Now, I did not add the ornaments on the back because where I'm placing mine, it's only going to be seen from one side. And then the pretty gold picks right there also came from Walmart. Walmart has some really pretty Christmas picks right now, so if you have a Walmart close by, I would go check them out before they get picked over, and they're really priced reasonable too. Just remember to leave a few longer so that you can place them in the center for height and kind of to have some movement to your arrangement. Then kind of fluff and shape your flowers. Make sure everything's placed just like you want. And then if you have some foam showing, I like to take some of my extra leaves that I didn't use and just hot glue them onto the foam if I can see the foam showing in any of the places. A few days ago, I uploaded a tutorial where I took a 5-gallon paint stir stick and I made a beautiful Christmas centerpiece, and I added candles to the center of it. It turned out so simple and beautiful, and it was very inexpensive too. So I'll add some pictures at the end, and I'll also link that tutorial in the description box for you just in case you haven't seen it, because it's so simple and inexpensive. Now this arrangement right here is perfect for Christmas or for the winter months, so you don't have to put it up just because Christmas is over. You can leave it out in January and February. So it's a perfect winter floral arrangement. I am also doing a December 2022 giveaway on my YouTube channel for a $50 Hobby Lobby gift card. I will link the video with the details if you would like to enter that giveaway. I'll link it below. It's a Christmas yardstick door swag that can be used as a centerpiece, a door swag, or a garland. It's beautiful and simple to make too, and I'll link that if you want to enter. But guys, make sure and do not give your information to scammers. I will notify you on the comment below that tutorial on January 1st, 2023 if you're the winner, and I will only ask for your mailing address. I will never ever ask for your credit card information, so be careful of scammers. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.